Okay, we're going to solve a compound fraction. And what we're going to do is we're going to do this step by step. I'm going to look at the numerator because it has multiple fractions and the denominator has multiple fractions. So what I'm going to do is just look at the numerator first and kind of combine that into one fraction. So I've got 1 over x squared minus 1 over y squared. Now, in order to add those, I have to have a common denominator. So I think I can get that done by multiplying the first term by y squared over y squared, and the second term by x squared over x squared. So now my numerator, right, this number right up here, has a denominator of x squared, y squared, and a numerator of y squared minus x squared. All right, so that's looking pretty good. So I can go back up here and I can rewrite that numerator as y squared minus x squared all over x squared y squared. All right, now let's work on the denominator. So I got y, 1 over x minus 1 over y. I need a common denominator here. So I'm going to multiply the first fraction by y over y and the second one by x over x. And now I have xy as my denominator of my denominator, and the numerator is simply y minus x. So I can put that back up here. So now I got y minus x over xy. Okay, now I'm going to work across. I can rewrite this because I've got a fraction. I've got a fraction divided by another fraction. So instead of fraction divided by fraction, I can do the copy, change, flip thing. So I can just copy the first fraction, y squared minus x squared over x squared y squared. Now I could write out divided by and rewrite the denominator there, but I'm just going to do it all in one step and just copy, change, flip. Yeah. One more thing. All right, now let's go back to what we've done before and let's start factoring. Y squared minus x squared, you can check my work, but it's y minus x times y plus x times, I got that xy here. And now I've got y minus x, I'll just write it here, and an x squared y squared. And we can talk about domain if we want, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm just going to charge on and cancel any common factors. So it looks like I can cancel this y minus x and that y minus x. I got an xy here, which means I can get rid of one x in the denominator and one x in the or one y in the denominator, and I'm left with y plus x all over xy, and I'm finished.